right, so we got this one signed off today. Got the smoke machine running. Blow it up. We got the sand under the pipe. And now we got it on the other side. Smoke going through there. Since we got the other ones signed off in the underground, Johnny and Isaac are in these 2 units now doing the PVC. There we go. This one's Big Johnny. Isaac's in the next one. He's set up like he's going camping. He's got his generator there. He's got power in the room. He's got his radio. There's Johnny right there. There's the newest fucking member.
Newest loser.
Newest loser of the crew. He's got the PVC going. Now Johnny did all the attic work. He did the hard shit, all right? He left fucking Isaac with the easy stuff.
Easy stuff. Yeah. Baby.
Kitchen sink's plumbed up. All right, here we go. We're back at the duplexes. Me and Johnny getting a test on her. John probably did around 80% of the PVC joints in here, and he's got a pretty good track record, I might add. Got the kitchen, picking up the shower. We're gonna move over and test the other unit. And now we're in the second unit. We did have one leak, very minor, not bad out of 500 joints. So we had to drop it. It was the overflow joint. So now we're refilling it, hoping to get it to overflow soon. Let's go check it out. There it is, number 2's up on a test. You good? Check up on the leak now that she's filled up, see if she stopped dripping. We waited 15 minutes, it's like 36 degrees. We just saw the first snowflake, so not too bad. Let's go see what Isaac and Mo is up to now. Now that the duplexes they're tested, holding, we got Isaac, he's on the no hub. Mo's on the ladder doing the copper. He snapped into the main vent, he ran over, dropped down, came across. Got the 3-base sink ready to go, hangers in the wall, picking that up. I owe him a couple of parts and pieces. Big Mo's on the in wall. Got one sticking out there, one sticking out there. He's got a sink laid out right here and he's working the mains back. Look at him. There it is. Moving on.